Hey everybody, Tyler Hill here, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray dealer. Today we're going to do a quick walk through this new arrival. This is a 26 Sea Ray SLX outboard. Just arrived in the gorgeous white hull. That is not a vinyl decal, that is in the gel coat, that stripe. Really sweet. Electric power tower, windlass anchor with stainless steel anchor, stainless steel windshield frame. The size of that tower, custom made for Sea Ray. This one's powered by a single V10 Mercury 400 horsepower outboard. Absolute beast. Look at the size of the prop this thing turns. She is a ripper and such a good running boat. Look at the awesome cockpit. Sea deck throughout the entire vessel. Really great aft lounger. Nice boarding step here, solid teak. Lots of storage everywhere. Such an entertaining, conducive cockpit. Drink holders everywhere. The attention to detail on the SLXs is unmatched in its category. There's no doubt about it. Look at the stitching on the vinyl. The density of the foam in these seats is amazing. Just a really beautiful, beautiful 26-foot. Digital throttle and shift controls from Mercury, all fly-by-wire. The gorgeous steering wheel. Leather trimmed helm. Dual Simrads. Again, stainless steel windshield frame. Really deep bow area here. Real safe for the kids. Armrest, doors underneath. You have the optional table on this that can mount in the bow or in the back. And you also have a plug-in battery charger, nice and easy to use. Glove box, and then this one has a vacuum flush toilet, just like the yachts have. Really, really easy to use, clean, no smell. Another special option this specific boat has is the new storage area. Because we don't have an engine in here, Sea Ray came up with this really cool storage cradle that you can remove to get to the batteries and your bilge pump. But it's really nice to put your water toys in there, life jackets, really convenient. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Sea Ray Boats here, Pompano Beach, Florida. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. We'll do a little panorama of our gorgeous marina here. And again, this was a 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard. Give us a call today. Again, 954-783-9555. Tyler Hill signing off. Thanks for watching.